Let's try fire breath. Find a comfortable seat and I'll show you how first. Start by rubbing your hands together as fast as you can, as if you're building a fire. Take a big breath in through the nose and blow out your fire. Let's try 3 together. Rub those hands really, really fast, building up your fire. Breathe in and breathe out. One more, just like that. Awesome. Now, let's try 5 on our own. Keep going. Build that fire nice and hot. Breathe in. Last one. How do you feel? My hands actually feel kind of warm from rubbing them together. Let's do one more.